Hi, I'm Teresa and I'm at the Ignite Your Image workshop, and today has been so many valuable golden takeaways about thinking about my branding story, and also how I'm going to apply my colours to myself more elegantly, and also some amazing photography tips that I've learned today. So pretty incredible.
So I'm at the Ignite Your Image workshop, which is actually taste test for this branding retreat, and it is fabulous. I've learned about my colours, I've learned about how to use the camera properly, and I've also got some insight into my own personal brand.
Carolyn, and I came here today to get some wonderful ideas from all of these beautiful speakers. I really got some valuable information today on branding and being able to speak to people, and wonderful information also about this wonderful retreat, which I really would love to be able to go through, and I'm going to work very hard at making it happen. And Sumi gave some wonderful information on photography, and I have a new Pixel 9 camera, which I'm going to really work on and get some great photos coming. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Katrina. I have just been to the Ignite Your Image workshop here in the Gold Coast, and I have had a ball this afternoon discovering why I actually choose the colours that I do for my brand, for what I wear, and what motivates my brain, I guess. I mean, the things that you don't listen to, which is also very important to developing your brand story, because if you don't know what demotivates you, it's hard to grab a hold of what motivates you. So really looking forward to the beautiful brand retreat coming to my email, as I am very eager to come along and build some camaraderie with the ladies up in, I think, where are we going? Cairns? Palm Cove. I'm really looking forward to going to Palm Cove. Thanks so much, ladies. Highly recommend it. Come up here and learn a lot from these incredibly insightful women who will help you ignite your image and your brand.
I'm Alban Alternate, also known as the Media Queen. I've just attended the Ignite Your Image workshop with Mo, Sumi and Janine, who I've known for years, all three ladies. And even though I work in marketing, we never learn less. And today I picked up even more tips and tricks and great ideas around branding, around photography, around colours and image and style. I absolutely love the workshop, and I know that the other people at the workshop also really loved it. And I'm sure the retreat would be an absolute blast. So if you can get yourself along to Ignite Your Image or to the retreat, I'm sure you're going to love these ladies. They are true gems of human beings, and they really care, and they do a great job with what they do. So make sure you lean in and check them out. They're amazing.